today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable autofill in Chrome. If you've ever wanted more control over when Chrome saves and fills your passwords, this walkthrough will show you exactly where those options live and how to toggle them on or off with confidence. Start by opening Chrome, then look to the top right corner of the window, click the three dots to open the menu and choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main Preferences page. On the left side, find the section labeled Autofill and Passwords. This is the hub where Chrome manages things like saved passwords, passkeys, and other autofill behaviors. Next, select Google Password Manager. This is where Chrome stores your login credentials and handles prompts to save new passwords. Once you're in the Password Manager, look for the Settings area within it. Clicking Settings reveals the controls that determine whether Chrome offers to save passwords and whether it signs you in automatically on sites where credentials are already saved. To turn off password autofill prompts, disable Offer to save passwords and passkeys. With this switch off, Chrome will stop asking to save new logins or passkeys. This is handy if you prefer using a different password manager or if you're working on a shared or temporary computer and don't want prompts popping up. Below that, toggle off Sign In automatically to prevent Chrome from auto-logging you into websites using stored credentials. With Auto Sign In disabled, you'll still be able to fill passwords from your saved list, but Chrome won't sign you in without your explicit action, giving you an extra layer of control on shared devices or when you're just browsing. If you want to enable autofill again later, simply return to the same settings and switch these options back on. Turning Offer to save passwords and passkeys on will bring back prompts to save new logins, and enabling Sign In automatically will let Chrome log you in on sites where it has credentials, streamlining your workflow. A few quick tips as you adjust these settings. The labels and layout may vary slightly depending on your Chrome version, but the path through Settings, then Autofill and Passwords, then Google Password Manager remains consistent. These preferences apply to your current Chrome profile, and if sync is enabled, they'll typically follow you across your signed-in devices. Also note, today's steps focus specifically on passwords and passkeys. Addresses and payment methods have their own controls in the same autofill and password section if you want to review them later. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can fine-tune Chrome's autofill behavior to match your security and convenience needs.